Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python easily for beginners. First, download and install Python version 3.10 or newer from the official website, python.org. Next, choose a user-friendly integrated development environment, like VS Code, to write and run your code. Begin by grasping fundamental concepts such as basic syntax, variables, and common data types. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning journey. Once set up, dive into core Python concepts. Focus on control flow statements, including if-else conditions and various loops, which dictate program execution. Practice defining and calling functions to organize your code into reusable blocks. Explore fundamental data structures such as lists, tuples, and dictionaries, which are vital for storing and manipulating information efficiently. To solidify your understanding, immediately apply what you learn by building small, practical projects. Start with simple tasks like a calculator or a guessing game. Leverage the vast array of online tutorials and official documentation for guidance and examples. Crucially, practice debugging your code. This skill is invaluable for identifying and resolving errors, making you a more independent programmer. Learning Python is a continuous journey. Once comfortable with the basics, explore advanced topics like object-oriented programming to write more structured and scalable code. Consider specializing in a field that interests you, such as web development with Django or data science with Pandas. Actively engage with the vibrant Python community through forums and meetups for ongoing support and inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.